Good morning, everyone. Mabuhay. My name is Ian Shane Gonzalez-Asen, and right now, I will be discussing Puag's model of tourist behavior. There are three components of Puag's model of tourist behavior. First is we have the allocentric tourist. Allocentric tourists, adventurous and open-minded, they seek new experiences, culture, and destination. Often prefer off the beaten path locations and are willing to take risks in their travel choices.
You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you.
The next component is psychocentric tourist. Psychocentric tourist is cautious and prefer familiar, comfortable environments. They tend to choose well-known destinations with established amenities and are less likely to venture into unknown areas. And the last component is mid-centric tourist. Mid-centric tourist is a blend of allocentric and psychocentric traits. They enjoy new experiences but also value comfort and familiarity, making them adaptable in their travel preferences. As an allocentric traveler, I love going on adventure and trying new things. I enjoy meeting locals and tasting traditional foods that give me a real feel for the culture. I keep an open mind and I'm always ready for surprises, which leads to exciting discoveries along the way. Each trip is a chance to explore and connect with others and making every experience special and memorable. Thank you.